If you have the 3693 Rundown Workbook, then boy, do I have a surprise for you. Introducing the 3693 app. It's the Rundown Generator, it's an app. So you use this if you have the 3693 or the Cash 4 or the Texas lottery books from our collection. All right, and basically what it is if you look here, I'm just gonna pull up some lottery. Let's do lottery posts. Actually, I'll give you an example just off the cuff. Like I said, I live in New Jersey, so let's just do NJ Lottery, right? And we're gonna pull up some numbers in a second. All right, so let's do the pick for let's say, let me refresh this, make sure we have the current one. All right, so we're gonna do day with day, evening with evening, and what that means is I'm gonna put in the midday number to get the midday number. All right, so we're gonna use 0239 in the generator, and we're gonna try to get 6443 out of it. All right, so here we go. 7 blunt put in and hit 0239. All right, and as you can see what the generator does, it already has the base number 3693 in there. So if you know the method, you know that that's just the base number. So it's going to calculate your whole grid for you. You can take this right here and just fill out your book with it if you have it. If not, this is the grid. It's better to use the book because this will not do any tracking for you. This will just give you the grid and it'll highlight the day sum so you can pick your number. Now you need to know your mirrors and your flips in order for this to work, okay? You have to know your mirrors and your flips, and it's giving you the day sum already, so you don't have to worry about it. Every time you go to this app, it's going to give you the day sum. So the day sum is simply the month plus the day. All right, lottery math, you keep the second digit. So this is 11 plus 9, which is what? 20. So you're keeping the 0 from the 20. The 2 doesn't matter. All right, and what this app is doing is it's just highlighting all the day sums for you, which is 0. All right, so now let's find our number that came out. Let's see what we got here. So the number we're looking for today is 6443. That's what came out midday, 11,96443. Let's go back to it. All right, so here's the zeros. Now look, you know, Sam, what's the mirror to 9? 4. What's the mirror to 6? 1. Right? Look at that. 9, flip to 9 is 4. 4, here's the 6, and here's the 3. Right? The 8 is the 3. Look right beneath it. Here's the 8. There's the 4. There's the 6. There's the 4. Right around the day sums. Let's look down here at the bottom. Okay, remember flips and mirrors. All right, so here we go. Here's the 0. What do we got here? 4, 4, 6. 3 is the 8. 4 is the 9. 6 is the 1. 4 is the 9. It's right around it. Look at it. Not making this up. You got to know your mirrors and flips because you could have hit if you played this. All right, but the app now, you can get it. It's free for now. We're going to let you test it out. To try it out with your number grid. Now, you could use this by itself. This is just a trial period, so it's going to be data for a little while so you guys will see if it has any bugs in it or if it's screwed up in any way, which I doubt. Well, it will not be free for long. All right, there's a little how-to here. And these are the books you need to have to use with this. Let me go ahead and bring that down a little bit. I made it big so you would see it. But these are the books you need. These are which word I'm looking for? Companion books. It's right in front of me. These are the companion books. All right, that you'd use this method with, or you use this generator with. All right, so go back. You just put your number in. You can clear it. And it'll just do the default grid. Once you put your numbers in, it's going to calculate the grid for you, all right? This is the tool. And you don't need to download anything to get this. Just open up a browser. So you could be on your phone, you could be on your tablet, your iPad, you could be on your laptop, your desktop. It doesn't matter. You don't have to download anything, so it's quick and easy. So if you're walking into the store and you're like, oh, well, I want to play the lottery, you just open up your browser, go here, so just bookmark it. Just bookmark it. And go in and get it. You want to see that again? 0239. We can't do the evening. Well, we could do the evening to pick out the numbers, but I want to show you that the 369 method does work if you know how to use it. You gotta do your research and you gotta know mirrors and flips. If you do that, you will win. All right? So 023 now, I'm gonna run it again. Right? So you can see it 0239. That's the number that came up midday for New Jersey, right? And you look around your hot number or your day sums. 0 is your day sum. Look around it and just see it. Remember the mirror numbers, mirrors and flips. The mirror to 9 is 4. 4 is 9. 1 is 6. 8 is 3. And it's going right around that 4, 9. So it's right around it. Look, it's a circle right around it. Down the bottom, right around it. Look at 4, 6. 4, 3, 4. It's right around it. And that number came out. Look at it, clear as day. Clear as day, 6443. I'm not lying. 6443 right there in your face. All right, make sure you share this video. Make sure you like it. Give me a comment if you play this. Let me know what state you're playing from. Whatever you got to do, let me know. I will see you on the other side and good luck. Don't forget to get the books. Get the books.